This video tutorial I will explain skip records in MongoDB. Here you can see the syntax of skip method. Using skip method, we can skip number of documents. Here you can see the example db.books collection, then find method, and here I am skipping two documents. And default value of skip method is 0. Here you can see books collection. It has three documents. And using skip method, out of three documents, I am skipping one document. And we got remaining two documents. Now I am skipping two documents. So we will get only one document. If I am not specifying any number, it will display all the documents. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.